Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are just going to check out a Christmas craft fair, and by the time you're seeing this it's going to be about 30 days till Christmas. I can't believe it's coming up so fast, so early Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Hopefully this is going to get us in the Christmas spirit a little bit and
find some neat stuff.
Find some cool stuff.
Over 150 local artisans here today.
Really? I didn't even realize that. All I know is there's hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Anyways, let's go check it out.
This is Emily.
Hi Emily. She's beautiful. What kind of hawk?
She's a falcon.
Falcon?
Actually, and she's a saker falcon, S-A-K-E-R. So it's a species of falcon you'll not find in our part of the world. It's not native to here, but she was bred in captivity.
Okay.
So she was originally a falconer's bird that was donated to our center a couple of years back. But their native range is Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and extends as far as Western China. So our native species, most common falcon is the peregrine falcon. Of course, the merlin and the kestrel are also falcons.
Right. It was wonderful. Now I just want to go home and decorate.